Dear students, hello, dear students. Today we are going to study types and working of different types of small wind turbine. Types of classification of small wind turbines. According to axis, they are horizontal and vertical axis type. According to direction, upwind and downwind. According to number of blades, single blade, two blade, three blade. According to speed, constant and variable speed. Then according to drive, direct and gear drive. So small capacity wind turbine power plants, as already discussed, these plants are low capacity up to 50 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt. Then these are designed for the agriculture, residential, commercial and small industrial purpose. Rotor position horizontal or vertical. Rotor speed fixed or variable. Hub rigid, gimbaled, hinged blade, etc. Rigidity still flexible. Then number of blades 1, 2 or 3 more. Power control, stall pitch, yaw or geometric surface. Yaw control active or free. So this is the constructional layout, different types of horizontal, vertical axis small wind turbines. We are going to see here horizontal axis small wind turbine, single blade, double bladed, three bladed, multi bladed, upwind and downwind. So here horizontal axis wind turbine, its construction, rotor diameter, rotor blade, gearbox, everything is shown here. Then constructionally it is very rigid. These are the horizontal axis. And now we go for small vertical axis wind turbine with power plant accessories. Savonius type, Darius type and H-shaped type. Construction working is given. Advantage, ability to generate electric power in any wind direction. Low production cost and easy construction. Low maintenance and transportation cost. Yaw and pitch control mechanisms are not needed. Suitable for extreme weather conditions area. Variable speed operation. Disadvantage, low efficiency as compared to horizontal axis wind turbine. Relatively high vibrations because airflow near the ground creates turbulent flow. Then we have to see the assembly of horizontal axis wind turbine. Turbine rotor number 1, then with blades, 2 electromagnetic brakes, mechanical brakes, gearbox, generator, flap tail vane, tower top, 8 number shaft, 9 number controller and 10 number tower. This is lattice type small wind turbine power plant. Then we can see here vertical axis wind turbine has the following main components. First is blade, second is shaft, third is bearing, fourth is lower platform, then 5 is upper platform, 6 is gearbox, 7 is generator, 8 is disc brake, 9 is foundation, 10 is guy ropes and 11 is cross arm. So this vertical axis Darius type wind turbine, the tip speed ratio lambda is equal to blade tip speed, it is denoted by CB, and divided by free stream wind speed, that is CI, and energy conversion input to output. Wind energy rotates the blades of the turbine. Turbine rotor starts rotating through gearbox. The mechanical energy of the rotor of the turbine is transferred to the generator. Generator converts this mechanical energy into electrical energy. Location of the site for small wind turbine plants: high voltage, wind speed, low land cost, transport facility, roadways, strong soil for putting away from the forest and cities, suitable areas seashore, offshore, having high speed, flat and open area, deserts at least 3 kilometers away from the habitants to reduce the effect of sound pollution, wind by available all around the year of low, high and low speed. So study, learn it very well.